Well, guys, I don't know even how to start. You know how I told you yesterday about the sun, guys. As you can see, I'm on vest. I'm on a vest because the sun on this side, it is not good. But before I continue, let me start my video at greeting you. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. From wherever you're watching this amazing and fantastic video, keep tuned, consider subscribing, like, comment and share my video. It's amazing, we're gonna make it happen, gonna make it doing very better. So today, guys, I'm going to show you my preparation at Form 4 tips, how as next year, 2026, I'll be joining my end year at high school, Form 4. So I'm going to show you today on how I'm preparing. I went to my friend and bought an A finder mathematics. So I'm going to start not with mathematics really, but prepare my video to show you that. Keep tuned, keep watching, keep subscribing, like, comment and share. Comment a positive comment, not a negative comment, because my age doesn't allow me to read negative comments. So please always be positive. Keep subscribing, keep tuned, keep watching, follow up for more support. I told you guys, please, if you can maybe support me at the plan that I had about raising up the chicks. I had a plan of raising up chicks, and I'm starting with 3 chicks. I have 3 chicks. I want to raise chicken. I want to be a farmer who has many chicken here in our village, Namwini. So I've started with 3. If maybe you can support me with maybe 1 or 2 or 3, I'll be so helpful and I'll be so grateful to thank you so much, because YouTube is the platform of supporting, so that we can raise our community, so that it can be maybe great and helpful to one another. That's why we are being created here at Earth with our living Lord. So guys, as I'm passing here, the sun is really shining. Not that shining, but it has a lot of heat, and it is hitting very hard, to an extent that I can't even explain to you guys. But I'm very happy. So at location here, I can say that I am at place of it's Gintu's fish pond. I can maybe go to the other side over there, so that I can confirm with you as I'm crossing the river towards our home, so that I can go prepare myself. I'm from work. This is the day of working. The weekdays is a day of working. Yes, so that I can get money and to pay at this my phone. My phone is an M-Copper phone. It's a credit phone. I took it with deposit of 3,000 Kenya shillings. So daily I'm paying 62 Kenya shillings. But total is around 19,000. I don't know if I'm going to complete, but the daily how I hard work, I can get maybe money so that I can pay it completely. So as you can see, I'm here at it's Gintu's fish pond. So it's Gintu. I'm going to tag you at this video. Thank you so much. You've been grateful to my life. Thank you so much to your sponsor who sponsored me with the goats, Mama Tandy Foundation. I will never forget you. Thank you so much. With you is the reason why I do have right now, I can say the goats which are really mine, that I don't have anything in my mind that these goats I was given maybe for a condition or something. But it's Gintu has been a very great man here in our village. He's really supporting people here in our village, and I really appreciate his work. So God bless him, keep blessing him. As you can see, his also his work it is progressing very well. As you can see by now, he has surrounded his fish pond with this security. As I can show you here, I can see even the fish, they are really grateful. As you can see, the waves are moving. So guys, I'm going to cross this side over here so that I can go to our home, then prepare the tips of today, so that I can show you the tip, how much I'm prepared I'm giving you the look here at our village here, mostly at the fish ponds here of it's Gintu. And I'm around here. As you can see at this other side, this is the, I can tell you these are arrow roots. You know, here, because the land which is here is, it is bounding the water. This is the best place for for cropping the arrow roots. They are really growing here at this side over here. Yes, so guys, kindly keep on commenting, subscribe, like, comment and share my video. Welcome again. So guys, today I'm going to show you how I'm learning. Today I'm going to show you on my preparation, how I'm prepared myself, how I'm preparing myself to this kind of holiday, because this the how we call the long December. As you can see, this my revision book. As you can see, this where I'm starting. As you can check this the row of maths. As you can see there, the list where I was listing the homework which we were given at school. As you can see there, physics I was not given homework. You know, I'm always keen on recording the the rules or the things which were being taught by our our teacher. So there I'm cancelling because I'm not doing biology. I just wrote the the homework of biology, but I'm not going to do it. So the homework that we're being given by our teacher, our class teacher, is about to revise on every subject at every day. So as I can check at my period timetable here, is Monday I'm supposed to be studying biology. As I'm not doing biology, Monday I always do physics, which I didn't show you. But today I can check at my time. Today is on Tuesday. So today being on Tuesday, as you can check at my timetable here, I am supposed to do chemistry. So closing this book, and I do have a material here of chemistry, which is called Mastering Chemistry Practicals, which is it is written by Hannah Munyaga, which has questions and answers. So as I'm opening it, kindly keep tuned, keep supporting, keep subscribing, like, comment and share. My WhatsApp number, if you want to contact me, is there on my bio. WhatsApp number +2547 59 24 09 34. So as I can check at the first topic today, I'm going to start with the first topic, which is the mostly I can say the easiest, the introduction one. You know, the introduction has always been easy, but it is not my level where I'm supposed to study, but I'm just getting revision, because you know the next year I'll be joining form 4 is my end year form 4. So I can't maybe predict where the next examination, where the next examiners, where they'll set their exam. So I should study from the introduction till the end. So I'm studying here right now. As you can take a look, I'm studying at the the tools and the rules and all the things that are being used at the laboratory. You know, the laboratory is the room that everyone, not everyone, but the major people are being allowed there, maybe to do the something that is doing up with mixing stuffs. So as here I'm passing through the notes here. I'm just writing some short notes as this other book over here, which I brought from school when I closed my school. So I'm going to take a best position, yeah, so that I can have a clear look at the book, so that I can get to concentrate. Let me hold my camera first clear. So guys, keep tuned, keep watching, watch the video till the end. You know, even people, some of you are getting to learn maybe from me. When I'm learning, you're also learning. You know, some of you didn't know that maybe I can say one name here of a tool that is being used at the laboratory, even burette understand. Maybe some of you didn't know even that is a tool and how it is used. Maybe something we should thank so much our parents for them to take us to school, so that we can get to learn. You see, as me here, I'm learning. I didn't know if such a thing can can exist, something like pipette can exist. How is that supposed to help in a laboratory? That's why I'm in school, I'm learning a lot of that. And this is the life of chemistry, chemistry. Shout out to chemistrians wherever they are. I love chemistry, but it's really a hard subject here at our region here, Nyanza region. I can say that because most of us are really claiming that they are suffering from this subject called chemistry, because it has been experienced as a hard subject here at our region, our co-curriculum that is going on, which is going to be finished, the 844. Here at Kenya we do have the 844 co-curriculum, but we also have the CBC ones, which is now upcoming, and it will be continuing through henceforth until the government of Kenya will decide maybe to change the curriculum from CBC maybe to another level. But now I think the second last learner at my level where I'm learning. Next year I'll be at form 4. After me there will be another class, which the form 3s, which will be next year. They will be joining form 4, and they are the last ones. I think they will be completing up with the 844. Then the ones who are behind us, they will now come up as the CBC ones. Yes, so as you can take a look there I'm just continuing to study about I've just told you about the introduction. That is my first time reading the introduction, but I'm just maybe sharing some with some of you. I'm just trying to remember myself, trying to recall what I learned at when I was in form 1. I think that was something like 2020, I think so. So there I'm trying to maybe make my mind so that it can have to recall and remember what I was taught many years ago, so that when the time comes at the next year 2026, that some of the dates there at the month of 11th November, which I'll be sitting on my NDI examination, which the national NEC examination, KCSE. So I'll be get to maybe have easy time on recalling and remembering some of the I can say some of the topics, some of the things that we used to learn, maybe the things that I used to learn when I was at home. Like this time that I didn't have time at school to maybe pass on them, maybe peruse my book, so that I can get to acknowledge the tips which are in the books. Maybe some of the things maybe I should be learning and focusing with them while I'm still at home, so that I can acquire more knowledge that I'm acquiring at school. So this time of which here at home, this the long holiday, no, so I should not maybe focus on just loitering around, just take easy time at home studying like this, so that I can get to maybe make my parents proud at my results that I'll be getting at maybe the next end year. Yes, so just keep tuned, guys. Keep watch the video till the end. Comment, like, subscribe, and share. This is Mokami Junior here, a young boy from this Nyamwini village, Kenya. Try to maybe acknowledge and get to help his parents. Maybe guys, support me so that I can achieve my dream. I can make it happen. It's just God first, then prayers, then you just get to believe and you get to work hard. You can get to achieve this, because this is something maybe I can say this is like a blessing from God. If God has made you reach even a place where you are right now, just give thanks to God, because He's the Almighty God, and He's the one who has just made you to be at that place where you are. Always don't forget to give thanks to your God, because He's the creature. He's he is the one who has made you to have all that way. And I'm always in praising my God every hour and every second and every day that he gives me as a gift very very early in the morning. I usually pray. So guys, there I think I was maybe had time to find something there, but I was just keen on those tips there. Yes, it's such a good thing myself revising this at home. So guys, at this site over here, I think I'm done today. I think I'm almost finishing up with the revising of today. I was doing the question 3, as you can see over there. I was doing, because here it have been written areas examined at areas which are being examined at KCSE chemistry practicals. So this is the book which is leading me maybe to get more knowledge at the practicals part, because you know in chemistry we do have the paper revision and the practical revision. So I'm revising on the practical revision so that I can be better at the practicals place. So the next time we are going to learn on organic chemistry, and this is the book which I'm using. As you can see, this mastering chemistry practicals questions and answers. Today we were doing on the introduction, but I guess next time we're going to learn on organic chemistry. So guys, thank you so much for all those who are watching. Just comment with me, tell me from wherever you're watching, tell me where you're watching from. I'll be so grateful. I like your comment. I'll be so appreciative to you. Kindly support as we are completing today our study. As you have seen our study today of the study of today, the timetable of today was about chemistry, and we have just learned about introduction, of which we have done. We have looked at the tools of which are being operated in the laboratory, and we have mentioned that one of them was Barrett and a stand, pipette, thermometer, filter funnel, conical flask, beaker, test tube, and boiling tube. And this other one here, as you have seen, wash bottles. I've showed you. So keep subscribing, like, comment, and share my video.